Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You know, it's Rush, the Discover Boss, and it's Raymore Reviews. So we are here today in Cherry Gardens. So this is part 2 in the series of richest neighborhoods in Kingston. Part 1 was what was part 1 again? Let's see who can remember. Alright, so if you haven't remembered or you didn't check, part 1 was West King's House Road. Not very upscale, but that's where I started out the first video. So this is part 2, where we're covering Cherry Gardens. So take a drive with me around Cherry Gardens. And again, we're trying to drive through the richest neighborhoods in Kingston. I asked persons for suggestion. This is one of the neighborhoods they suggested as well, Cherry Gardens. So let me know if you guys agree in terms of one of the richer neighborhoods, and keep sending your suggestions in terms of which neighborhood you think falls under, you know, the richest neighborhoods in Kingston. If you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe. Subscribing is completely free. And remember to like the video and share the video as well, so that YouTube can recommend the video to more persons. And definitely leave a comment in terms of what you think about Cherry Gardens. Probably you live in Cherry Gardens, used to live in Cherry Gardens, or probably you agree, you know, that it's one of those richest neighborhoods in Kingston, in Jamaica overall. So I'll drive around the neighborhood, show you guys some shots, show you guys some clippings, show you guys some of the nicer houses, nicer apartment complexes as well. So stay tuned. Thanks for clicking on this video. Thanks for watching as well. So let's drive around. Alright guys, there you have it. Just a quick drive around Cherry Gardens. Impossible to cover every lane, every street, every house, but just showed you guys a quick glimpse around the area. As I realized, rain caught us on the journey, so we're now converting this to a rain drive. Haven't done a rain drive in a while, so we're still in Cherry Gardens. Rain came down, so basically closing out the video with you guys. So if you have watched this far, you know, definitely leave a comment in terms of what you think about Cherry Gardens on a whole as a community. And again, if you live in here, used to live here, definitely leave a comment as well. As I realized, down in the flats there's no rain, you know, sunshine, but up in the cool hills we're getting the rain. So again, video number 2 of the richest neighborhoods in Kingston. So Cherry Gardens is the second community we are covering. Remember to leave your comments in terms of what do you think, or what are some of the communities you think should be covered under the richest communities in Kingston. And once we're finished in Kingston, we will go outside, you know, Kingston to cover the richest neighborhoods in Jamaica. So like, comment, share, and thanks for watching. See you on another driving video.